Want a brighter, whiter smile, without spending a fortune on whitening treatments? The truth is, you can naturally whiten your teeth in just 7 days, using simple ingredients and daily habits. Most teeth whitening products are filled with chemicals that can actually weaken your enamel over time. But what if you could lift stains and brighten your smile safely, using natural methods backed by science? This is the holy grail of natural whitening. Mix a tiny amount of baking soda with hydrogen peroxide into a paste. Brush gently 2 to 3 times a week. It helps lift stains and polish teeth without harsh chemicals. Swishing coconut oil around in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes a day can reduce plaque, kill bacteria, and naturally brighten your teeth over time. It's an ancient method with modern benefits. Apples, carrots, and celery act like natural toothbrushes. Their texture helps scrub away surface stains while boosting saliva production, which protects your enamel. Cut back on coffee, tea, red wine, and dark sodas. These drinks are loaded with tannins that discolor your teeth. If you can't avoid them, use a straw and rinse your mouth with water afterward. A good remineralizing toothpaste helps strengthen your enamel and restore natural whiteness. Look for one with hydroxyapatite or calcium phosphate. These minerals rebuild enamel safely. Want a shortcut? There's a natural whitening formula people are raving about. Safe, effective, and perfect for daily use. Check out the link in the description to learn more. If you're serious about whitening your teeth naturally, start today. These tips are easy, affordable, and enamel-friendly. Hit the like button, subscribe for more health tips, and don't forget to check out the whitening solution in the description below.